You can't go in. Hey, settle down. Good. Just chill. Just watch. Calm observation. That's as close as you get, buddy. A little bit of tension on the leash. There we go. All right, just because this is a little high for him to jump doesn't mean that we can't still do some confidence building. I'm just gonna I've got a short leash. I know, this way. You gotta go this way. Come on. Yeah, good job. He's not secure in his footing. And so this kind of stuff is great for him, but I'm right here to catch him if need be. And I've got a very short leash with only like 1/2 inch of slack. That's it. Good job, buddy. Why don't you go down here? You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. He definitely needs some footing confidence. Oh, good job. Working on separation anxiety in multiple ways. Good job. We'll do the hard one again. Right. Up is easy, down is what's hard for him. But he doesn't get to bail out here. He has to go that way. Good job, buddy. And I know it can be hard to see your dog a little stressed, a little confused, but it's important. It's important for growth. Obviously, you need to limit, how much it is. It shouldn't be too much. If he'd struggled more with this, I would have just shown him how to do it. Oh, good job. Hop up. Yeah, all right. Oh, sorry, I didn't have him in the viewfinder, but in the camera, but he did good. And now he doesn't get to just bail out. Definitely don't want him jumping off things. Sit. Good. Just gonna relax for a second. Take a few deep breaths. Still got a close hold in case he decided to bail out. Good job, bud. Yeah, good job. A few scratchies. Now I put him down on the ground. Good job. Woo, shake it off. Sit. Good job. Oh, and down. Good job. Oh, sit. Working on when my feet move. He doesn't just bolt up. It's a really hard thing for him. Good. Oh, up you go. Go. Good job. Turn around, other way. Sit. Good. Down. Oh, good job. Good job. Let's go. Heel. Nice. Oh, there we go. Nope. Oh, good job. So there we go. Oh, I don't know if you saw him. UPS man with a cart. And that was too much hyperfixation, too much arousal. It's very different than when he's just observing people. And so low level interrupter, try to catch him before he barks, and then food on the back end. And look at our beautiful setting. Good job, bud. And then sometimes I just reward, just because there's a lot of movement, a lot of people, a lot of stuff going on. Good job, bud. Yeah, his alert ears. So that's like an in-between level where he's just kind of observing, like, should I bark? Should I care about that? And so if I can catch that early with a piece of food, that's where your conditioning is. That's the sweet spot. Oh, that's a dog. Hey, good job. That's conditioning that medium level distraction. Sniffing is good. Well, I'm going to watch the ears if they get too intense. There's the stillness I don't want. Hey, no stillness. Good job. I don't want any super alert ears, creepy stare, or freezing of the body. I want to always interrupt that with low-level Ecollar or you know, this, something. Good job. But anyway, the teaching level is at the medium level intensity, not the higher intensity. Good job. Good job. Corner. Good. Good.
Somebody can help you out front because that's the case here.
Correct.
They can help you out there.
Good. Good. Nope. Good. Nope. Good. Okay, bud. Good. Good. Good job, bud. Nope. Good. Good job. Don't worry about that. You down? Oh, good. Look at you. If he didn't lay down, I would not have made him. Because this is very close and very scary. Good. I might even move him from here to here so he feels, you know, 2 more foot of space can make all the difference and make him much more comfortable. Good job. And build up more tolerance for the next time it happens.